Okay, so information processing, EPSPs, IPSPs, we covered that already. Go back and go and review it. So I will just click on it so you guys can understand it. Summation, we do need to understand temporal and spatial summation. And this is, the good thing is a lot of these terms are on the bold word quizzes for you guys. So you're already familiar with it. If you aren't, have fun with the practice quizzes. So IPSP, EPSP, temporal summation, spatial summation. We're going to be PG-13 with this. So let's say that this is the cell that you want to, your target cell. Okay, and I want to activate the cell. It's like, say that you're sleeping and your mom wants to wake you up. So she pokes you once, doesn't do the job. So what does she do? She pokes you many times, really hard and really fast. Not necessarily hard, but really fast. That's called temporal summation. That means when the stimuli is being rapidly released over and over and over and over again. That's called temporal summation. That leads to, obviously, you waking up and stimulating the cells some more. So these are all graded potentials. So the more EPSPs you have, the more stimulation you have over and over again without taking a break, the more likely you are to have a response, right? Graded potential builds up and you trigger an action potential. Let's do something easy. So mom can't get you up by pushing you, poking you. So what she does is she calls your brother, she calls your sister, she calls your dad, she calls your cousin, she calls everybody else around you. And everybody stands around you and they all poke you at the same time from all different directions to cause the same effect as poking you many times. This is called spatial summation. And the whole goal is to increase the strength of the stimulus. One more time. The whole goal is to increase the strength of the stimulus. So if the question is, what are 2 different ways in which you can increase the strength of a stimulus? What's the answer? Could be temporal or spatial summation. And that would lead to an increased likelihood of developing an action potential. So you guys can look at that. Facilitated summation of IPSP, EPSP, presynaptic. I'm not going to do this to you. I will not kill you over this information. So that's it.